Legal dictation 5 seconds. Comments. The petitioners seek restraint order against the respondents from taking over the possession of the lands without following due procedure of law and payment of compensation. The petitioners contend that the respondents have undertaken work of state road. The stand of the respondents appear to be that in the year 1971, 10-meter wide road was constructed under Employment Guarantee Scheme. The said road is shown as government track. Now only improvement of the road already in existence is being done. The same is done within the right-of-way available under PWD. The same is 7-meter carriageway plus 2 meters side shoulder in addition to the slope on either side extending to 16 meter. Mr. Ram, the learned counsel for petitioners in writ petition number 4717 of 2019, has canvassed the load arguments. Mr. Verma echoed the arguments of Mr. Ram. The gravamen of the petitioner's contention is that in the year 1971, under the Employment Guarantee Scheme, 10-meter wide road was constructed. No compensation was paid at that time. Subsequently, the said road is declared as a state highway. Though said road is declared as a state highway, the width of the 10-meter road was never expanded. It remained 10-meter wide road. After the road was declared as state highway, acquisition proceedings were not undertaken. It is illegal on the part of the respondents to contend that right of way is 30 meter. The respondents cannot deprive the petitioners of their property without due process of law. The petitioners place reliance on Article 300A of the Constitution of India. The petitioners also rely on the judgment of the Apex Court in a case of Tukaram Joshi and others versus Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation and others reported in 2013. Mr. Shyam, the learned assistant government pleader for the respondents, submits that the petitioners admit that in the year 1971, 10-meter wide road was constructed from the land of petitioners under Employment Guarantee Scheme. The same is in existence and is in use since then. The said road is upgraded to state highway standard. The ongoing improvement is for blacktop of 10 meter. The improvement of work would be restricted to the area in possession of the state. The roads are selected for improvement under the hybrid annuity scheme as per circular dated 3/5/2017. The road is being constructed within the right-of-way available with PWD, which is 7 meters carriageway plus 2 meters side shoulder in addition to slope on either side, which extends to 16 meter. The same is in accordance with the Manual of Specification Standards of Indian Road Congress and a special publication. The state highway is in existence since 2001. The development is done within existing right-of-way. The land acquisition is not necessary. Reliance is placed on the map to contend that 16-meter wide road is in possession of respondents since 47 years. The learned AGP relies on the judgment of the division bench of this court delivered at the principal seat at Bombay dated November 1, 2018 in writ petition number 8057 of 2018 with connected writ petitions. We have considered the submissions canvassed by the learned counsel for respective parties. The state has filed affidavit in reply in two matters viz. Writ petition number 4717 of 2019 and writ petition number 1480 of 2019. Both the affidavits are verbatim similar except the nomenclature of the road. The substratum of the matters is the extent of the wide of the road. The respondents can construct without acquiring the property of the petitioners.